Have you ever tried to cut and install by yourself a piece of sheetrock that needs to have angle on both sides? Something like this behind me? In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and it's gonna work for you in many other occasions. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like it and follow me, subscribe me, and you know. Saludos amigos, ojalá les guste el video, síganme. First thing you need to do is measure from this end to any of the studs you want to stop. In this special occasion, I'm gonna stop in that one. So I already marked it and it's on 77 inches. Necesitas medir el tamaño de tu pieza. Voy a medir desde aquí la pared hasta este stud y ahí son 77 pulgadas. Después necesitas medir la altura que va a tener tu pieza. You need to measure how tall your piece is going to be. For this example, we need a piece of 35.4 inches. We also gonna need to measure the distance between this corner right there. We have 24.5 inches. Desde esa esquina hasta donde está esta hoja, y al parecer tenemos 24 pulgadas y media. Since we're gonna stop in this stud right here, we need to measure the distance from the bottom side of the sheet to the ceiling. Before cutting any piece of sheetrock, grab a pencil and draw whatever line you wanna cut so you have a better idea of what are you doing. Aquí tengo mi pieza de sheetrock de 77 pulgadas. This is my 77-inch piece of sheetrock. I already marked that's the tallest part in the wall, and this is the part that is going to be touching the right wall. Y voy a utilizar esta herramienta que se llama chalk line o trazalíneas, y pues está muy fácil de usar. Nada más tienes que hacerle una muesca. You just have to put the line on one side of the sheet, pull it, put it wherever you wanna have it, and then with the other hand you just pull the string and it's gonna be aligned just like this. I already draw the lines of how it's gonna be after cutting, so we're just gonna have this like triangle thing. Voy a hacer todos esos cortes, amigos, que tengo ahí marcados, y al final nada más va a quedar como una especie de triángulo. First, cut it with your knife and then grab the router. If you just go straight and use the router, unless you have a lot of practice, it's gonna be really hard to do it straight. Primero, corta con la navaja, porque si agarras directo y quieres cortar con el router, se te va a ir chueco. Entonces, ayúdate con la navaja y marca tus líneas primero. Ahora, lo único que tenemos que hacer es retirar la parte de arriba. Now we have the piece of sheetrock with the shape we needed for the wall. You see it is a rough edge. You grab this and you make it even. You go all the way up, and then you see how it's not straight perfect. That's why you have your tool. Y así podemos hacer que se vea más derecho y más profesional. Uf, 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 uf. Entonces, con mucho cuidado, ponemos la hoja. it's better just to put all the screws you need once you are up, instead of having to go down and up and down and up and down many times. Just put all of them, make sure you have all of the screws every 8 inches or so, and that's it. Now we're gonna do that last part right there. I have already here the piece of sheetrock marked. You see, this is the good part of the sheetrock, the factory edge that goes on the edge of this, on the top part of that piece of sheetrock, and I just measure the height of the triangle and how long it is, and it's pretty easy. I think it's straightforward. And that's how it looks after the whole piece. Así es como se ve al final. Si se acuerdan, paramos en este stud y ya nada más agregué un pedacito más y pues ya es todo. Espero les haya gustado el video. Síganme para ver más contenido, más tips y pues más formas de cómo hacer tablaroca. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it worked for you. You can now do angles. You can install your sheetrock. Doesn't matter if it's straight, if it's square, if it's a triangle, or is and with angles. Now you know how to do it. But still follow me for more tips. I'm gonna leave my Facebook and YouTube so you can follow me. And subscribe so you can see more content. Sígueme por favor en mis redes sociales, por aquí las voy a dejar. Y pues nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao.